Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today, in this computer class, we are going to start a new chapter, Chapter 8, Internet and Introduction. Children, do you know about Internet? Yes, Internet is a largest network of computers spread across the world to share information. Nowadays, the Internet has become an important communication tool. People use it for sharing information available in different forms like text, images, audio, video, etc. This technology is based on the telephone network system and satellite communication system. So, in this chapter, we will learn how to use this technology in our computer system and how it can be used for exploring information. Okay, children? So, what is Internet? The term Internet means interconnected networks. That is, a large network which connects the various smaller networks of computer spread across the world. In this way, Internet provides connectivity to millions of computers which are further connected in smaller networks. Okay, children? So, Internet means interconnected networks. Now, we will learn uses of Internet. Internet is one of the most effective mode of communication in these days. This facility can be used on any type of computer like a PC, that is personal computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone. So, let us know what are the major uses of Internet. First one, we can send or receive the messages anywhere across the world. Second, we can get the information on any topic. Third, we can talk to others using text or voice messages. Fourth, we can get the latest news about the world. Next, we can also do shopping and can purchase items from anywhere across the world. Okay, children? So these are the some uses of Internet. Okay? Then next topic is how to connect with Internet. We can connect with the Internet using wired or wireless technology. But there are some basic requirements for connecting with the Internet. What are they? They are computer system, modem, internet service provider, that is ISP, then last one, communication network. These are the 4 basic requirements for connecting with the Internet. So first, computer system. A processing device like PC, laptop, tablet or smartphone is needed on which we can use the Internet facilities. Okay, children? We need any one of these devices. Okay, children? And second, modem. It stands for modulator, demodulator. This is needed to connect the computer system with the communication network. Next, Internet Service Provider, ISP. This is a company which provides us the connectivity with Internet. For this, the company charges a nominal fee as per our usage. Okay, many ISPs are available to provide these services like Airtel, Tata Indicom, BSNL, Reliance, MTNL, etc. Okay, so these are some of the ISPs. Okay, so these ISPs provide services to access internet. Okay, then last one, communication network, to connect the computer on internet so that the data can be transferred easily through long distance. We need a communication network like mobile network or telephone network, that is wireless network or wired network. Okay children, so communication network is used to connect the computer on internet. Okay children, I hope all these topics are clear to you. Remaining topics we will see in the next class. Thank you. God bless you.